Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video. So today's video I'll be showing you how to easily remove backgrounds from from a picture. Yeah. So this is one of the easiest trick. So most times normally most times you might use Photoshop or maybe other advanced software. You know, one thing about editing I normally talk about is all about making your workflow easier. So today I'll be showing you that software. I'll be showing you a software where you can easily remove background from pictures, and it takes not even up to 3 minutes. Yeah. So let's jump into this video. All right, guys. So you're going to check. So this is the site. All right, guys. So this is the site where you can easily remove the background from a picture. All right, remove background from pictures. So the link to this site, this website, I'll be leaving it in the description below. So check on the description to get the link to actually gain access to the site. That's to look up the site. The site is removebg, but use the link to come to this interface, the same interface you're seeing right here now. So the first thing you do once you're here, it might require you for you to sign up. All right, so you can also sign up. That's if you want, but most times I just come here, I just do a quick one. Like I don't really necessarily sign into the platform. But you can sign up. This is how you sign. You can use your Facebook or you can go with Google. All right. But I won't be doing that now because I already have an account. And like I said, this platform, this site, you don't really need to sign in to do anything here. So the first thing you need to do, walk onto this page, you click on upload image, right? So once you click on upload image, it takes you into your media. So let me just go through this. Which would I love to remove the background? Use as a just like an example, right? So I'm going to be using this as an example. Yeah, let me use this as an example, right? So you bring it in. So you can see it's preparing upload. Yeah. So this site, it's actually on the go. You understand? Anything you just import it right here, then you quickly remove the background. It's very easy, very seamless platform. Okay, why it's taking. Alright, so I need to do some verification. I'm human. That's capture, right? So contain a boat, boat. Okay, yeah, contain a boat. Next, same boat one. Yeah, boat. Verify. Alright, so loading. So once you come on this side, remember you click on upload, you upload the image, and it loads the image, right? So as you can see, it takes it off, takes off the background, and this is how it works for any picture. So once the software does the work itself, you can easily just click on download, right? So once you click on download, it starts saving into your desktop. As you can see, it's already saved, right? So you just go back to your media, all right? So once you go back to your media, you can actually preview the file that you just remove the background. And funny enough, this site works only for video, only for pictures, sorry. Works only with pictures. As you can see, the background has been removed. And you can also do this for other pictures. Same thing, you can even just go straight to the gallery. You can even just go straight to your folder. Alright, just pick a picture you would love to remove the background. Let me use this. Okay, so I can just drag it, right? It's easier. So you see, takes it off, download, it still saves. So that's how easy it is to actually remove background. Like you can see, there's a remove background. So this is one of the easiest platform. As you know, what I do, I just show you tricks to make your workflow easier and make, because one thing about editing, you need to understand, you need to know how to do things easy and very quick. You understand? Because time is very important. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Do follow this channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so that'll be all for now till I see you in the next one. Alright guys.